Want to know how to make straight, accurate, splinter-free cuts with virtually any circular saw? With the Kreg Accu-Cut guide track system, you can. The Accu-Cut lets you make perfect cuts effortlessly with your saw. If you've ever tried to make a straight cut with a circular saw, you know how hard it can be. Conventional saw guides aren't much better. They tend to slip or require multiple clamps that always get in the way. But the Accu-Cut easily guides your saw along its track in a perfectly straight line. And dual anti-slip strips hold the track in place with absolutely no clamping. Now you can make factory-quality crosscuts and rip cuts of sheet goods like a pro and do it with your own circular saw, all without chipping or splintering. Plus, the Accu-Cut makes those difficult angled cuts easy. Great wood projects start with great cuts,